Hi, I'm Jasmine from Hidden Acres Homestead. Today we will be ripping out some weeds out of this big veggie garden right behind us. So we've previously used this area as a veggie garden before, growing quite a lovely supply of potatoes and sweet potatoes and tomatoes and whatnot. And it's time to get some more potato seeds and sweet potato slips in the garden. So today my first goal is to clean out the first row and get some potato slips in there. Sweet potato slips, that is. If you want to see that getting done, this is the episode to watch. We decided not to use the rotary hoe straight away and basically mince the weeds into the ground because we want to be planting straight away. We have a bunch of sweet potato slips that are quite overdue to get planted. Just the way cookie crumbles sometimes. We don't get to do things as quickly as we'd like. So, today's episode we will be pulling out the weeds by hand, throwing them off to the side to try and keep all the seed out of the soil, and we'll be planting our sweet potato slips a little bit later. I've got to put on my trusty big hat. It's certainly not pretty. I picked this up from the local vinnie shop. It's got a neat little feature if it's dusty or rather grassy from mowing and whatnot. You can just fold this over and it helps keep everything out of your face, which is lovely for people with allergies, so it definitely helps. Anyway, it's sun safe. It's not attractive at all, but gotta be sun smart. Oh, better get my gloves. Let's get started. Rightio, that's the one row of weeds yanked out of the garden. Everything that's along this edge right here, I'll get Kevin to go over with the whippersnipper when he's got a moment. We'll run the rotary hoe in next and churn up all that soil. And then tomorrow we will look at planting some sweet potato slips. We're very excited about planting the sweet potato slips because we love eating sweet potato. Are you still watching? Well, frustratingly, we've run out of time at the property this trip. As some of you may be aware, we only get to come out here every couple of weeks. We live about 3 hours drive away, so it's time for us to head back to Dysart. And we'll have to continue with finishing this garden another time. As you might be aware, we've still got whippersnippering along this garden edge here. We're going to rotary hoe it, and we're going to stick in sweet potatoes in this section, and eventually this next row here and here will also be sweet potatoes. We'll keep working our way along and adding normal white potatoes as well. Alright, well, help us get to 100 subscribers. Click the subscribe button right now and help our channel grow. Share our videos on social media, let your family and friends know about it if you enjoy our channel and if you think they'd like it too. Would love your support. Leaving a comment also helps our channel grow, believe it or not. And we will see you in the next video. Bye!